Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Dear middle two students, we are going today to make a quick revision on the part 1 of the lesson 1 from unit 2, which is titled with atmosphere or atmospheric pressure and atmospheric envelope. Okay, we are going to see variable questions and see the model answers for each of them. Number 1, complete the following sentence. The normal atmospheric pressure, if it's mentioned millibar at the sea level, MB means millibar, so the normal is going to be 13.25. But if it is bar, it's going to be approximate 1 bar. Okay, so here it's 13.25, 1013. The altitude, if the altitude, it means the elevation, the height increases. The atmospheric pressure decreases due to decreasing in the length of air column or the weight of air column الاثنين ينفعوا. Troposphere lies between, troposphere is the first layer, so the lowest point is the sea level, and the highest point is not the stratosphere. It is the region between them, which is tropopause. So between sea level and tropopause. While the air, which layer lies between mesopause and thermopause. Mesopause means the layer before the mesopause. No, it's the layer before the thermopause. Okay, so it's not mesopause, by the way, it's the thermosphere. Sorry, I am sorry. Here is the mesosphere and the thermosphere. Here is the mesosphere and thermosphere, and I thought it different. So mesosphere and thermosphere, small region between them, which is mesopause. Meteors are burned in which layer? The meteors burn it. The big rocky masses come from the outer space. They are burned in this layer due to the friction between these rocky masses and the hydrogen and helium gas. Okay, so here is burned in mesosphere due to the friction with hydrogen and helium molecules. Number 5, which device used to measure the height of the airplanes. طبعا عندنا 2 types of parameters, which are parameters الأولانية اللي هو aneroid, determine the possible day weather, and here is the altimeter, which measure the height or the elevation above the sea level. Number 2, give reason. All atmospheric pressure differs from one area to another on the Earth's surface. طب احنا تعالوا نفكر. The Earth's surface is flat? No. Due to the different height, the pressure will be different. But the difference in height, so the difference of air column upon this. The difference in the length of air that due to the difference of height above the sea level. Temperature is high in the upper part of the stratosphere. Upper part في ozone layer, which absorbs the ultraviolet radiation coming from the sun or emitted from the sun. So this is increase the temperature in this area. Number 3, the occurrence of aurora phenomena. ايه اللي بيحصل؟ 2 magnetic belts, which are Van Allen belts, they are going to scatter the cosmic radiation, which is harmful for us or all the living organisms. Due to this scattering away from the Earth, we can see this phenomena, which is lighted, especially on the North and South Pole. Pilots prefer to fly in their planes in the lower part of stratosphere. This area is empty of any of the clouds or something like this, so it's very clear, no weather changes, and the air movement is horizontal. Choose the correct answer. Dot is located between stratosphere and mesosphere. stratosphere اللي بعديها حاجه بوز خاصه بالستراتوسفير اللي هي stratopause. Number 2, The device used to measure atmospheric pressure. احنا هنا ما قلناش the elevation وما قلناش the possible day weather. Here we are going to go back to the origin of these both of them. So it's what? Voltmeter, barometers or biometers, hydrometer, and micrometer. هنا طبعا barometer because the unit is bar. Meteors are formed in due to the friction between big rocky masses and hydrogen and helium. طبعا أكيد في الميزوسفير. Number 4, ionosphere layer is surrounded by 2 belts. Which type of belts? Electric, ionic, magnetic, and thermal. طبعا هم 2 magnetic belts which are named by Van Allen belt. Choose from A what suits it from B. تعالوا نشوف بقى parameter or parameter. نشوف هنا the coldest layer, no, the layer, an instrument used to measure atmospheric pressure. برافو، يبقى هنا 1 مع C. طب الالتيميتر أكيد it is the device. تعال نشوف هنا which one of this. An instrument used to determine what? The altitude of navigation. It means the elevation above the sea level. يبقى A. Number 3, troposphere. تعال نشوف the coldest layer. لا, the layer that's suitable for airplanes مش هي دي. The layer contain all weather change. يبقى دي اللي احنا بندور عليها، يبقى 3 تبقى مع D. mesosphere هل هي الهوتست layer؟ لا ما تنفعش. طيب لا. طب coldest layer هنا تنفع تكون the coldest layer because the layer here, this layer temperature begins from 0 and end with -90. stratosphere هناخد معاها طبعا weather change. لا ما تنفعش. layer is suitable for airplanes. lower part for airplanes to fly in it because there is no weather disturbance and the air movement is horizontal. Thermosphere, the hottest layer in the atmospheric envelope, دي واضحة in 6 مع F. Okay, and here is the answer. طيب, solve the following. Calculate the mountain. تعالوا نشوف بقى problems. If the temperature on food 19 and the top is 6, at the top 6. أنا عايز هنا الهايت. طيب, the change means height times 6.5. يبقى الهايت equal the change divided by 6.5. اللي change قد ايه؟ تعال نشوف اللي change in temperature اهي change equal height times 6.5. يبقى انا لو جبت هنا اللي change قد ايه؟ start with 19 and it end with 6. 19 minus 6, the change is 13 kilometers. يبقى اللي change 13 equal height times 6.5. يبقى الهايت equal 13 divided 6.5 عليها 2 kilometers. If the temperature at the foot of Everest mountain 20.6, find the temperature at the top. ماشي, الهايت هنا كام؟ 8,862 meters. I have to convert it first into kilometers. Okay? طيب, تعالوا نشوف نحولها. يبقى القانون بيقول لي ايه؟ The temperature at the top of the mountain اللي احنا عايزينه بيساوي temperature of the foot اللي هي 20.6 minus the amount of decreasing. طب ال amount of decreasing بيجي منين؟ height times 6.5. I need the height. I have the height here. So I'll convert it first into kilometer divided 1,000. It's going to be here 8.862. طب هنا عايز اجيب ال change او ال amount decrease temperature 8.862 times 6.5 زي القانون بالظبط. تبقى 57.6. It means that the temperature decreased by 57.6. تعال نرجع للقانون بقى. ال temperature at the top of the mountain بتساوي temperature at foot which is 20.6 minus the amount of decreased temperature اللي احنا جبناها لل change 57. يبقى هنا اكيد دي negative وهنا it's not correct. negative 37 above the mountain. هنا كانت اخر حاجه بالنسبة للريفيجن بتاعتنا النهاردة. I hope that you understand this revision and every word we explained in this. Thank you and see you next time, inshallah, in the same lesson or the next